Alright everyone, what's going on in today's video? I want to show you guys how to pair this Bluetooth headset, a hands-free Bluetooth headset, and it's one of those that has just one button on it and you're wondering like, how do you even get it to connect? So if you have one like this or similar to this, basically make sure it's off, make sure it has some battery life in it, and then we're going to get it into pairing mode. And in most cases, to get these into pairing mode, you want to hold down that single multifunction button here. We'll hold it down and don't let go until you see a blue-red flashing light. So yours may take a little bit longer than mine, but let's go ahead and do it. So we'll press it, and you'll see it light up once, and then it'll start flashing in two different colors. Okay, so mine is going to be blue and red. That's pairing mode, or yours may be maybe green and red or some other color, right? But once they start flashing like this, it means the headset is now in a pairing state. And we're going to pair this to the Samsung Galaxy S10 phone, so it should work with the other up-to-date Samsung phones. So we'll go to settings here, then we'll go to where it says connections, and under connections we'll go to Bluetooth, and then we'll go power it on here. And the reason you want to do it there is so you can actually see what's going on, so we'll wait for that. And this headset in particular is known as B1S. Look into the guide of your book and see what the name is or what it will show up as. So mine is B1S, and just tap on that one time. It will say pairing. If it doesn't pair the first time, tap on it again. And you'll hear it say connected, and you'll notice the blue-red lights are no longer there. And that's it, guys. You are good to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.